Good day, everyone. I'm Ron Irish, and I'm here to discuss Group 6, Chapter 3 Result and Discussion. 3.1 Pila, San Juan, and Caliraya Watershed Area. Using ArcGIS Pro, Watershed Area Analysis, Pila, San Juan, and Caliraya have one major river each. Its watershed area were calculated using the ArcGIS Pro. Here is the map, the Pila San Juan Caliraya Sub-Basin map. Table 3.1 Pila San Juan Caliraya drainage line detected by ArcGIS. This table represents the drainage line detected by ArcGIS flow as each sub-basin's river stream. This is for the Caliraya drainage line, and this one is for San Juan drainage line. There were a total of 176 drainage lines that were detected by the ArcGIS Pro. Precipitation. Precipitation data were obtained on World Weather Online. Table 3.2 Pila, San Juan, and Caliraya precipitation during month of August 2021. This table represents the data of the three area for the rainfall amount on August 2021 for the month of August 2021. Table 3.3 represents the 2-year precipitation rainfall data from World Weather Online for the three sub-basin. 3.3 Hydrograph for August 2021. The hydrograph using the rainfall data of August 2021, we create the hydrograph This represents the hydrograph for the three sub-basin. Sky blue represents the San Juan discharge hydrograph. Red represents the Caliraya, and light green represents the Pila sub-basin. And the bar chart represents the peak rainfall data for the month of August 2021. Ayun. Table 3.5 Pila predicted volume storm flow in August 2021. The precipitation amount that being used is the August 2021 amount. The curve number is computed by a land use map provided by the Kyoto University and LLDA. The storage servers were computed using the equation 2, and the runoff data were computed using the equation 3. The river area basin were computed by the ArcGIS, and the discharge were computed via the equation. This one is for the table 3.6 San Juan, which computed as the same way. This one is for the Caliraya. Okay, 3.4 velocity flow type adapted. Figure 3.3 shown that San Juan river profiles from Kyoto University. Kyoto University for Research, Hydrology and Water Research Laboratory Catalog for Philippine Rivers. Table 3.8, Waters watershed sub-area, river/stream lengths, and average slope of a river basin. This table represent the sub-watershed area, river stream, river length, and average slope of the three sub-basin. Table 3.9 shows the shallow concentrated flow for Pila, San Juan, and Caliraya. Using the equation 8.7 velocity is equal to 8.762 times average slope raised to 0.5. The velocity of Pila is 0.9, Caliraya have 1.28, and San Juan have 0.92. To determine the open channel segment, the surface description must be identified. Table 3.10 was the Manning coefficient based on the open flow rigid boundary channels. The Filia has light brush and 3 in summer, which equivalent to Manning coefficient of 0.4 to 0.8. Say the Caliraya has light brush and the San Juan and Caliraya also have light brush and 3 in summer. They also have the Manning coefficient of 0.4 to 0.8. Time concentration. To determine the difference of time concentration according to the flow segment, each parameter for the specific flow segment must be identified. For instance, sheet flow were determined in the table 3.11, 3.12 present the time concentration of three river sub-basin. The time concentration were calculated based on equation 5. For sheet flow segment, Caliraya River obtained the longest equation 5. For sheet flow segment, Caliraya obtained the longest time of concentration. This is the table 3.11 Manning coefficient based on sheet flow description. The watershed, Pila have cultivated soil, and the Manning coefficient is 0.17. Time concentration for sheet flow. 3.12. The Pila had time concentration of 0.23, Caliraya 0.17, and San Juan for 0.23. Presented in table 3.13 are the time of concentration for shallow concentrated flow of the three rivers, stream and or sub-basin. Watershed. For Pila, we have 4.46 hours. For Caliraya, we have 0.55 hours. And for San Juan, we have 1.2 hours. For 3.4, travel time in channel flow of Pila, San Juan, and Caliraya, we have the total travel time of 2.03 for Pila. Caliraya has 3.42 and San Juan have 4.49. For the for the table 3.15, time concentration of Pila, San Juan, and Caliraya, they have a total summation of the total concentration. They have 0.272. They have 2.72 for Pila. Caliraya have 4.14, and San Juan have 5.92. Multiply by the 0.6 lag time, we were able to obtain 1.63, 2.148, and 3.55 for Pila, Caliraya, and San Juan respectively. Chapter 4 will be discussed by my group mates. Thank you very much.